Children, welcome back to the class which is discussing about light. In last session we have discussed the two basic laws of reflection. First law is that for an incident ray and its corresponding reflected ray, the angle of incidence is always equal to angle of reflection. And the second law is the incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. Let's verify the laws of reflection with the help of an activity. So, our aim is to verify the laws of reflection. Materials required are a plain mirror, a pencil, some pins, A4 size paper, a drawing board, and a protractor. The procedure that we have to follow is that first of all, let's fix the paper on the drawing board with the help of two pins. Now let's remove all these things. Now place the mirror on the paper and draw a line. This line seems to be improper, so let's draw another line. There is some space difference between them, so we will draw another line. Then let's mark the polished surface like this. The opposite part will be the reflecting surface. Then we will mark the middle point, and from the middle point we can draw a normal. So we got a reflecting surface and normal. Now we are going to draw incident ray with the help of a protractor. For that, let's take a protractor, then keep the zero line of the protractor on the normal. So this is the zero line of protractor. We will keep it on the normal, and from there we will measure from 0, 10, 20, like that. We are going to take an angle of 50 degree. So we marked a point there. Then let's join that dot with the reflecting surface. So this will be our incident ray, and the angle formed, that is 50 degree, that will be our angle of incidence. Now we will keep the mirror there. We will just pin, we will fix two pins on the incident ray such that we can see the images of these two pins through the mirror. Now, after fixing these two pins on this incident ray, we have to look into the mirror from the other side. Then by looking into the mirror from the other side, we have to fix two more pins such that these two pins and the image of two pins on the mirror are in the same line. So we are going to fix the two pins on the other side by looking to the mirror. So we have fixed the two pins. So now looking through the mirror, we can see that the two images formed on the mirror and the two pins that we fixed now, this four seems to be in the same line when we are looking at an angle. Here you can see the two images in the mirror, formed in the mirror, and the two pins that we have fixed here. All these four are coming, it seems to be in a straight line. Now we can remove these two pins. Then we can mark the point there. We are removing two pins. Let's mark that point. Then let's join that 2 points and extend to that till reflecting surface. Then we have to take the protractor. So the line that we drew now is the reflector ray. So let's mark this incident ray, reflector ray and normal. This is normal. This is the incident ray and this is the reflector ray. The angle formed between the normal and incident ray is the angle of incidence, that is 50 degree. Now let's measure how much we got the angle of reflection. For that we are keeping the protractor again at the normal. Then we are measuring 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So the angle of reflection also we got it as 50 degree. Thus we can conclude that the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Also we can see that there is only one plane, the plane of the paper that containing incident ray, reflected ray is the normal. Thus the two laws of reflection are verified. You can also try it. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.